What makes a great campaign? Your How-To Guide by Gary Pascasio. Welcome back. Today I will be talking about the mechanics or how it works, implementation, incentives, expected and/or actual results. Most of all, understand the secret sauce in making a great campaign. I will discuss with you the points to better understand the essentials in building your campaign. Let's have a short recap. In the last episode, target audience is an important factor in building your campaign program. Understand the characteristics based on research to target specific individuals or groups. Moreover, personas, which I can help share more by creating a separate topic focus on personas, and target audience by saying personas in the comments. While eligibility extends beyond customer eligibility, and consider to involve your team as part of the process. Next is action plan. This is the meat of the whole campaign. All the details, tools, resources, and importance of each point in the customer journey experience. Along with all the information, don't forget about your budget. This will bind everything. Even a small budget is essential in building your campaigns. A larger budget will require more effort, but most of all you need to be transparent in your numbers, especially when you're adding your special sauce, contingencies within your budget. Again, always remember each campaign is unique. In execution and context, always remember Murphy's Law that things will go wrong in any given situation if you give them a chance, or simply whatever can go wrong will go wrong. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's start on how it works. Mechanics. Here you emphasize how your campaign works. Elements to consider in building your mechanics. Your target audience and proponents who are involved. Your product and processes you are going to take to run the campaign. Remember, each industry would vary on how they run a campaign. Running a campaign has instances that you need government requirements to involve a bigger audience. Applying a simple step-by-step or points, or a schedule, on what are the possible actions that will happen during the campaign. From introducing a product to how a product or incentive be redeemed. We have the objectives, action plan, budget, etc. in place. Now, you need to get organized. Implementation. Let's make it work. Working hand in hand with mechanics. This explains what is necessary to make it work. Now, implementation is the step that would include all the elements in your campaign plan. You can count the areas for each process. A step-by-step on selling process, awareness program, incentive plan, and other factors that is within your campaign. For example, before selling, prepare all the materials. Prepare products and POS integration. Distribute to different locations. And others. During selling, prepare the point of sale. Build a proper visual merchandise. Price tags and POS materials. And others. Apply the same method on activities like incentive plan, redemptions, repeat orders, potential problems with answer keys, awareness program, and other important areas within your campaign that requires planning, and so on. A quick tip. You can do a reminder, an info or cue card to help assist your front of house or frontline team about the campaign program, including answer keys to potential problems or communications to share to clients or customers. We'll share this shortly on how you make it work for everyone. Okay, now let us talk about incentives, if necessary. Incentives are great, but why, you may ask? This will encourage your stakeholders to buy or use your products or services. But the caveat, it is necessary based on your campaign or industry. If you are doing an advertising campaign, it is straightforward. It is for awareness, making a point to buyers of the ad, then will lead to buying the items. In a sales campaign, it is best to add an incentive program to help boost your campaign program. But always make sure incentives to include in budgets, time frame, and target conditions. You can reward your stakeholders. 1. It can be for the seller or your team selling or promoting the campaign. 2. Give an incentive program for buyers or users. Or it can be both sellers and buyers. This will encourage them on running or buying the campaign. A quick example. 1. For every sale of your new product line shirts in each store, you can give a commission, a non-monetary incentive, or it can be a group incentive to the first team who sell those items in a given time frame. 2. For every sale of your new product line shirts, you can give a simple reward to your customers or clients. It can be in a form of a token or small gift, a voucher or coupon for an upsell, or it can be a different incentive. Your team can be eligible to receive an incentive by giving a specific target and time frame, allocate a budget and incentive conditions. There are different ways to get budget incentives. It can be part of your overall campaign budget, or it can be an increment sale of the new products, or a percentage sale of the whole establishment or store. Be creative in making incentive programs, so that your team and clients or customers will be encouraged to participate. But why do you need an extra layer of work? We'll share later the reason having an incentive program can be a good addition. Now let's ask the question again. What makes a great campaign? Is it a strong research, a new and innovative tech, a great upcoming product, a capable sales team, or social responsibility? Use different tools and tactics to create a good campaign. Make the program long-lasting or a strong top-of-mind experience to consumers. All these are correct and relevant. We have different reasons for making a campaign successful. But what is the main element that would separate these components to make it work? What is the secret sauce that makes it succeed? It is engagement. It is not just a simple sales talk or helping customers. It is taking the next step on service from beginning to end of the customer journey. Now you ask, from the beginning? How does that work? Engaging your internal team first before your customers is the first step. Why? You can't sell or promote a campaign that your own team doesn't know about the campaign program. The person who planned the campaign need to explain these using different communication activities, like toolbox talk discussion to operations, stakeholder meeting for key players, like your client and team or individuals going to run the campaign. Talking to your team holds strong bonds and commitment towards the company. Talk about incentives on what they want, or any grievances that needs to address. Engage them on how the campaign works with supporting tools like info or cue cards and training, to supplement and improve processes. They will be eager to become brand ambassadors, not just to your products but the company. Need a little help? Along with this article are checklists, guides and samples so that you can start engaging your team and turn them to brand ambassadors. You can download these tools later at the end of the article. I will be sharing relevant samples and other tools. Your team is now engaged with the campaign. Your team managers can support them through customer services, toolbox talks, customer journey training and engagement. The team can assist on daily activity reports, sales tracking, customer product awareness, and most of all, they will become your brand ambassadors. Engagement is not just sharing your plan to your team. You need to show and share to them what to expect, what to do, and anticipate what is needed. You will have an empowered team of brand ambassadors to support your campaign. Then engage your clients or customers through customer services, better products and promotions knowledge, customer journey engagement through your team. It is taking engagement through a customer journey experience. Using a simple process and execution with extra knowledge about the campaign and product and/or service you are selling or promoting. It is not over-preparing but simply covering all the right bases. Would be great to explore and explain further about customer journey experience. It can be a good topic for the next story, but for now let's focus on campaign engagement. Want to know more about engagement? I will be creating a new topic on customer journey experience and learn more about the center of engagement. Moving along, let's discuss about expected and/or actual results. Even before you finish your campaign, you will have projected results. Having measurement projections is good practice what would result in your campaigns. Remember, it is not sales, it depends on your target. It can be different reasons from awareness, customer satisfaction, tracking results, product awareness, users count, etc. Going back from the beginning, what is your goal will answer your results. You completed your campaign. Now you can consolidate all your performance results, i.e. sales, activities, testimonials, including media attachments. Prepare an executive summary on what happened during the campaign period. These are actual activity events using photos or videos, data on sales or footfalls, customer engagements using tools like surveys, social media response, even what the customers say about the product or service during the campaign. This will help improve your future campaigns and make better activity programs, tools, and best practices. Let's do a quick final recap on how to make a great campaign. What is your purpose and goal? Know the reason for your campaign. The achievements you want to reach that purpose and goal. What is your objective? Your precise goal you set to your campaign. Use the SMART method in measuring your specific objective. Include a background and rationale. Always give a story to better understand your program. Get some research. An overview with supporting data is good research by making it specific to your industry. How long will it last? Need a duration or time frame. Your duration will add clarity to identify key periods during the campaign. Special source. Contingency. Put into consideration adding a contingency plan. Who are your target audience? Knowing your target audience is a key factor in building your plan and achieving your goal. Am I eligible? You need to specify the people. This will include the rules or governing conditions about your campaign. Action plan and strategy. Planning is everything. This will help you focus on your campaign. In action plans, you will have a process, tools used, and strategy for your campaign program. Make it good. Need a budget. It is an integral part of a campaign. To better equip stakeholders, get the numbers straight in running a campaign. How it works. Mechanics. Asking the question what would happen next and plot action points how the campaign works. Use a customer journey or walkthrough for your target audience and participants. Implementation. Let's make it work. It is the process with all the elements in your campaign, including tools like cue cards. Incentives. If necessary. Incentives are great. Just make sure to use a viable program or campaign to your industry. Don't forget the secret sauce. Engagement. This one element you should not forget when you are developing or designing your campaigns, applied in different industries. Remember, your secret sauce can be developed internally on your own or start by using templates that are relevant to you. Need some help? In developing your secret sauce, I would be happy to help and discuss further. Expected and/or actual results. Having projected results is good practice. Actual results are better to show what happened and improvements on your next campaign. Note: all the tools, templates, guides are available to download for free. To conclude, campaigns nowadays need to be versatile. In our current, or previous, situation we suffered during the pandemic, or a big hiccup in a previous program, with low or no sales. We learn a lot during this period that our business or new business run, albeit constrained. Run campaigns by looking for solutions that are sustainable. Use digital and conventional tools and a well-planned method to make it work. Apply an integrated marketing communications and an omni-channel approach. This will help strengthen your campaign, along with the right strategies and marketing program based on your respective industry. A campaign doesn't need fancy tools to make it work. You need people, your team, to make it work. Use functional tools with the right planning, complementary research, proper implementation, and stakeholder engagement. If these fancy tools makes it easy for you to work, then by all means. Again, it should be functional to your needs and not because you want to use a fancy tool. You can design your own, in-house, tools that are bespoke to your requirements. Most of all, remember, a successful campaign requires engagement. Enrich your team by listening and discussing with them the ins and outs of the campaign. Thereafter, they will support your program from the ground up. But most of all, you are connecting with your team and empowering them to become leaders. As a final note to remember, to become a good leader, you must first become a good follower. An empowered leader started as an empowered follower. Now you can put together a great campaign plan, using your new knowledge on campaign development and applying the guides and tools. You are now prepared to start your campaign planning journey. Again, it is good to be prepared and implement your purpose to expected targets. Like in cooking, if you have the most sustainable produce or top-of-the-line ingredients, prepare and start cooking using a proven method. You are set to go. If you made shortcuts and gaps, then all the work you've done is for nothing. The result will be or might not be what you desire. Hoping this process will be able to help and assist you on your next campaign planning journey. Plan your next campaign or improved version of your previous campaign. Or use best practices to create or adapt a campaign program that your target audience would like. Use all the tools available and most of all apply engagement. It will help your campaign to be successful. It is time to set your campaign strategy and launch your business to the next level. Use the tools and templates provided to help you start on your campaign planning journey. You can get all the tools, templates, blueprints, guides by following the link. Subscribe to more stories, relevant articles, and useful guides. Add my Twitter or X account to get more information on marketing, leadership, updated news, and useful tips. Check out my LinkedIn profile and follow my curated posts and articles. Learn more about marketing, branding, communications, operations and other tips, tools, and strategies. If you need further assistance, send a quick message. I'll be happy to help and assist on your next campaign or marketing program, or discuss other projects that you need support or improve on your campaign or marketing plan. Looking forward to connect with you. Add and follow me on LinkedIn. I'm sharing more stories, tips, strategies, and information. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this story to everyone you know in LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter or X, or other social media or content sites to learn about how to create a great campaign. All right. Looking forward to seeing you on the next new topic. Click on the next story and I will see you there.